quick update on the ute. Been at it for the last couple of days. As you can see, the pile of parts is building up. Got the engine bay painted, brake must cylinder and boosters in, ABS unit, main fuse box, wiring harness, cruise control unit, bonnet catch. You got this door frame all painted. Got the manual pedal assembly in. The old heater box all stripped out. Cleaned up the floor pans. Still got to strip the wiring harness out of the other one. Transplant that in and then fit the carpet. Seats stripped out, ready to go. Dash. Got the driver's door all mounted up. Driver's guard all mounted up. All the electrics and that hooked up. Yeah. May not look like much has changed, but you know, there's most probably at least 15, nearly 20 hours in it so far. But yeah, almost at the point where I'm ready to rip the motor and box out of this. Swap the heater box assembly into that one. As I say, I've got to pull this body harness out. Yeah, just almost got the guard and bumper off on this side. But yeah, it's starting to get to dusk, so I think I'm going to leave it at that for the day. Yeah, won't be too long, and then the ute will be able to move under its own power for the first time ever since I've owned it. It's yeah, it's going to be a good thing, and it'll be a shame to let it go, but you know, sometimes you got to make sacrifices to get bigger and better things. Anyway, I'll leave you with it. Take care and have a good one.